My name is Rai Avni Bhushan. I'm a third year student of the School of Electrical Sciences, enrolled in its 4-year BTech course at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. I'm from Mumbai. I'm contesting for the post of Vice President, Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, for the academic session 2010-2011. The Vice President is the most crucial link between the student community and the institute. He is the highest student representative, addressing the grievances of the students and working for the betterment of the institute and bringing about all-round development. He must be a motivating leader, an efficient team builder, and a responsible organizer. He must have the vision to inculcate new ideas and culture within this budding institute. To my credentials, I have been able to maintain an outstanding CGPA of 9.01. In the School of Electrical Sciences. My institute rank is 5th, and I have been placed 2nd in my school. I was the captain of the Inter-IT football team. I was the captain of the Inter-IT football team that went to the 45th Inter-IT sports meet held at IIT Kanpur in December 2009. I was also the captain of the Madan Mohan Malviya football team for the Inter-Hall sports meet organized by IIT Kharagpur in the academic session 2008-2009 within a crowd of 1200 students. I have also participated in various inter-hall athletics events during my first year of stay at Kharagpur, like the 400-meter race and the 800-meter race. I have been selected as the IBM campus ambassador for this institute from the School of Electrical Sciences. I have also participated in an all India level circuit design competition organized by IIT Madras in their annual Tech Fest, Shastra 2010. All these involvements in extracurricular activities have given me immense exposure and invaluable experience so that I can implement the proposals I am going to propose if I am elected to the term of the Vice President, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, for the academic year 2010-2011. Following are my proposals. The first one is to incept Technical Transfer Group in IIT Bhubaneswar. This group is actually supposed to create a link between the student and the professors with the industries for the implementation of the innovative ideas presented by the students. This group will also provide industrial shortcomings as projects to the students of Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. For this, the following council will be set up. There will be one professor in charge, 3 professors as members, 4 students from each department from 2nd, 3rd and 4th year. Besides this, there will also be 3 postgraduate students in this council. My next proposal is about incubation cell. This cell will work towards providing funds to new budding entrepreneurs to build their own startups. The council comprising of professors will consider the ideas and recommend the same to the industries and other companies for their implementation. Regarding this, we have talked to the SRIC dean, that is Dr. Pediretti, and he was very enthusiastic about our ideas, and he has assured us positive response. My next proposal is about the collaboration of this budding institute with the non-governmental organizations. I have been planning to collaborate this institute with various NGOs which can provide summer trainings to students who can undertake projects for a social cause under the guidance of these organizations. I had a talk with Mr. George Fernandez, who is the director of Helping Hands India, which is an NGO which concentrates on setting up homes for the orphans and the semi-orphans. I have also contacted with Ruchika Sharma, who is the director of Goonj, which is an NGO focusing on quality education for the underprivileged children and eradicating child labor. Presently, talks are going on with another NGO, that is Pratham, whose main motto is to provide ready-to-use materials and stationeries to underprivileged children who are not used to it. My next proposal is about the inception of the career counseling cell. The purpose of this cell will be to conduct regular seminars based on various career options like the civil services, as in the IAS, IPS, the GRE, GMAT, CFA, actuarial sciences, and to also organize group discussions and personal interviews to facilitate placement to the students. My next proposal is based on deferred placement program. This program actually allows a student who wishes to start up his own venture to sit for the placement in the later coming years. I mean, not in his passing out year. If he plans to start up his business, he can come maybe a year or 2 years later, so that he can avail of the placements. In the meantime, he can work on his own startup. So, and if the startup is successful, he remains with the startup, and if he fails, then he has the option of joining the placements. Besides this, deferred placement will be also availed in case of medical or personal problems. I mean, if a candidate does not have, if he is not willing to sit for the placement in his passing out year, then he has the option of coming a year or 2 years later. My next proposal is introduction of library committee. The library committee will consist of 2 student departmental representatives who will ensure the availability of the recommended books in sufficient numbers and maintain an e-resource for sharing the previous year's question papers and class notes. It will work towards better functioning of libraries so that a student interest is best served. My next proposal is about the maintenance committee. The maintenance committee will be working in coordination with the hostel officials and look after the problems at the hostels related to mess, bus timings, and cleaning of the rooms. My next proposal is about the Gymkhana website. The Gymkhana website will provide information about the prevailing societies in IIT Bhubaneswar, and other forums will also be available on the Gymkhana website. I have also talked. My next proposal is actually about laptop deals. I have talked with the laptop companies which can provide laptops to the students who need it at a much cheaper rate.
a lot of credentials. I mean, you wear the Inter ID.
Hello.
I mean, that was a very